dear students, grade 3. Good morning. How are you today? I hope you are good, fine, safe and healthy today. Same with Miss Happy also here. I'm fine, safe and healthy too. Okay, welcome back to our class today through this Google Classroom, and I'm really happy today because I can share this video to all of you so we can learn together to continue our lessons. Well, last week you had got your daily test and I have seen your score here and all of you are awesome. Congratulations for you all because you got the best of your score. Okay, so today we are going to continue our lesson and we will talk about the life processes of living things. Okay, life processes, it means in Indonesia adalah proses hidup. Or Miss Happy talk more about the life processes. You can also read your photocopian book of science, page 30. Okay? Well, now Miss Happy will explain first about the lifespan. What is lifespan? If in Indonesia, lifespan it means that masa hidup. Masa hidup. Okay. The lifespan is mean that the amount of a time a living thing is alive. Okay, it means that lifespan itu masa hidup. Okay, how many times that the living things live before it's die. Okay, during the lifespan, selama masa hidupnya itu, living things do their life processes. Okay, ada proses hidupnya. Okay, do the life processes or they have the stage. Okay, the life processes of the living things can be divided into 4. The first one is movement, reproduction, nutrition, and growth. Okay, the movement, it means that how the living things move from place to place. The reproduction, it means that how the living things have their young or babies. Nutrition, how the living things get their food and drink. While growth, how the living things become tall, large, or become big. Okay, but before that, let us finish first your photocopian book, page 30. Okay, let us finish first page 30. So you prepare your photocopian book, page 30, yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, now look at here. This one, match the traces to the life processes in the box. Okay, you have to draw the line. Okay, for the first one is taking in food. Taking in food, it means that you just draw the line. Okay, to which one? Yeah, good. Nutrition. You draw the line. Okay, next. What about increasing in size? Increasing in size, it means that grow larger, grow bigger, grow longer. Yeah, which one is that? Yeah, very good. To growth. Okay, you draw the line there, yeah. Next, going from one place to another place. Pindah dari satu tempat ke tempat lain. Yeah, very good. Movement. Okay, movement. And the last one is producing new animals. Yeah, reproduction. Okay, now Miss Happy will going to explain to all of you about the movement of the living things. Okay. Okay, animals, okay, the first life processes of animals are movement. Okay, movement or living things move. Okay, that is the first life processes. Living things can move. Okay. Living things move from one place to another place in a different ways. Anybody still remember what are the ways of the living things movement? Yeah, sometimes living things can move with jump. Can be walk. What else? Can you guess, please? Can you mention? Yeah, walk. Can be run, swim, fly. What else? Roll. Any other? Okay, and many more. Here are some different ways of living things movement. Okay, who can mention what living things or what animals can be moved by swim? Yeah, very good, like fish. Move by jumping or jump. Kangaroo, yes, good. Move by walk or walking. Yeah, there are so many, like tiger, like giraffe, elephant, and many more. Fly, move with fly. Yeah, like beetle, butterfly, and many more. Now the question is, why the animals or why the living things need to move? Especially the animals, yeah. Why the animals need to move? Anybody can answer? So here are some reasons why the animals move. For the first one, to find food and water. Okay, it means that the animals should move from one place to another place to find their food. Okay, well, the second one is to find a place to live, untuk mendapatkan tempat tinggal, or we can call also to find a shelter. Ya, to avoid danger. Avoid danger Indonesia artinya menghindari bahaya. It means the animal need to move to avoid the danger. For example, to avoid their enemies. Well, that is the first life processes of living things. Okay, now we are going to the second life processes of living things. We call it as a reproduction atau perkembangbiakan. As you know, reproduction it means that all the living things have young or babies. Well, after we talk about the reproduction at having young, we will talk about growth. It means that how the young of the living things grow, become taller, become longer, become larger into adult. Okay, that is about growth. Okay, last one is about nutrition. Well, about nutrition, Miss Happy will explain in the next myth. Okay, guys? Okay, before Miss Happy give you more activity, the other activity of our meet today, let us review a little about our lesson just now. Okay, do you still remember the 4 life processes of the living things? Yeah, very good. Movement, reproduction, growth, and nutrition. Okay, just now Miss Happy already explained about the movement, the reproduction, and the growth. Next week, Miss Happy will explain about the nutrition. Well, after this, Miss Happy will going to give you the summary of our lesson today, and you have to write it into your notebook. I will capture it for you first, and you just copy it and write into your notebook about the summary of our lesson today. Okay, guys, and after this, Miss Happy will also going to give you the Q&A from this video. So please comment and participate in our forum of the Gece. Okay, that's all for today, guys. See you in our next meet. Good luck and stay healthy. Bye.